Hello, I wanted to bring you a really cool trick on how to make your own plastic bag for your earrings if you're going to sell them. Okay, so my story is I went to repurchase some bags, or I went to purchase some more bags for the earrings that I sell, and it normally, let me see if I can find what they normally look like. So this is normally like what the bags look like that I get. However, the ones that I purchased this time around were too small. So, and I was kind of like at this time in need of the bags in a hurry. Just because of the season, it's a little bit easier to sell things sometimes when it's closer to Christmas or closer to a holiday. So, let me tell you the solution I randomly came up with. It was a creative musing, and I just thank God for it. But so anyways, I bought these sandwich bags at the store. They're very affordable. I'm probably an off-brand. And I just stuck them in there, And then I was like, you know what? Before I go ahead and sell these, I probably want to make it look a little nicer. So instead, what you can do, and these are a pair of earrings that I designed. They're wooden. I just buy unfinished wood in those like different shapes for earrings, and I paint them or use other material to make a design on them. So in any case, you sit the earring in the back like so, and then you're gonna cut. You're not gonna cut next to the green part, but like kind of like closer to this part, leaving maybe a finger width space from where you cut, so that because that part is going to be like folded later. So that I'm going to go ahead and cut, and you cut all the way up, right? Keep going. All right, so it's now cut. So I've already got my tape prepared. So my first, okay, so it's already cut. I'm also going to cut the top. This time I'm going to cut a little bit closer to this part than I did this part. So maybe around here, because that part is going to be folded over as well. But I'm just going to arrange it differently. So this part right here, you're going to fold it over. You're going to sit it down, and then you'll see the line along here. You're going to just put a piece of tape there so it stays down. This tape is crystal clear transparent tape. I believe I got it from the dollar store. So yeah, we're trying to be using affordable products when we're shopping for just random things that you need. This doesn't have to be the most expensive thing when it's just going on the product. So yeah. So let me go ahead and put this tape down. So our tape is down, and now you can kind of push it's looking like this so far. And now you have this part left, right? Now, if you just folded it over, it's going to look a little awkward. That's going to happen. So the trick that I found out just randomly, Holy Spirit, thank you. So what I did is I put the top across the line. I put the tape across the line of the top, right? Like so. Hold on, let me kind of even it out a little bit more. We could cut if it doesn't like fit perfectly, we can cut the edge off to make it fit a little better. But you see how this is going across the line of the top? And now, and I know there's some fingerprints, but it's fine. You can fold it over like so, and it looks just like that bag that I purchased, right? And you can just cut the sides off like so, right? Cut it. I cut the side off, and I cut it. English is my first language. So now you have bags for your earrings, and they're very affordable. I got a lot of bags in the the box that I purchased for sandwiches or sandwich snacks. Okay. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. I would really appreciate if you would give me a like, if you would subscribe and share if you care. Take care. Have a beautiful and blessed day.